Welcome to our Joyful Pathways. Before we begin, I invite you to find a comfortable and quiet space, somewhere you can sit or lie down without distraction. Let your body settle. Let your breath soften. This will activate your inner vitality and align you with radiant wellness. In the next few minutes, we will awaken your body's natural healing intelligence. You are safe, you are whole, you are ready. Let's begin with your breath. You may have your hands over your chest. Now inhale slowly through your nose to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently for a count of 2. Exhale softly through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale. Feel your chest expand. Hold. Feel the stillness. Now exhale. Release tension. One more time. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Let your breath be your guide. Let your body be your teacher. Feel your feet on the ground. Now imagine you are supported with the earth below your feet. Relax your jaw, soften your shoulders, and let go. You may close your eyes and place your hands over your heart. Breathe into your center. Notice the space between your thoughts. That's where healing begins. I am whole. I am well. I am free. Every breath nourishes me. Every moment restores me. I trust my body's wisdom. I honor my inner calm. My cells are vibrant. My energy is renewed. My spirit is aligned. I release all tension and return to balance. I am in harmony with the rhythms of nature. Now, imagine a golden light rising from your heart, expanding through your body. See your cells glowing with vitality, and your breath flowing like a river. You are not just healing, you are remembering your wholeness. Your purpose is not a task. It's a frequency you return to. Midlife is not a crisis. It's a portal. And you are the medicine. You are the ritual. And you are the return. Carry this feeling into the rest of your day. Let the radiance ripple outward with your restoration. To deepen this experience, open your journal and reflect. Your healing journey is sacred. Let it speak through your words.